you guys, my last school is on Tuesday. Literally, I can't even believe it. I'm so excited about it. I can't believe this is like my last day of high school. Like, that's crazy. But for that, I'm gonna like rearrange my room and get my room like situated. So let's get started. I don't know how much this video, but if I do, make sure to like and subscribe and come for to see every video and go for my income and down below. Let's get started. Peace out. What are 7:03? So let's see what time we get done with this. It's 7:03 right now, so let's get it started with this video or with this. Okay, my room was almost done, so the thing is this is my, what's it called, bed this way, and then I put this right there, and then my mirror this way. Hey, but I'm looking, this is how I'm looking right here, and the only thing I'm gonna do is sleep, so let's do that. Okay, let's get sleeping maybe. And this is the last thing we do. I don't think there's anything else. I did everything, so it is 8:10. So let's do it. And this is only little time. So yeah, let's sleep and we'll almost be done. Okay, guys, so I'm walking my room. It looks really good. I actually really like it. But you guys, on Tuesday, Thursday is my last day of school. Can't believe it. I just wanted something new and fresh and everything. So yeah, that's what I did. Now it's good. So super happy about it. And stay tuned for another video to come up. That video is gonna be my last day of school ever. Like, I'll never walk in that building ever again. I cannot even believe it. So crazy. But make sure to like and subscribe and come for notification bell to see every video. And go for my Instagram and I'll get down below. And you guys, probably when you see this video, it will be May. Like, what? That's crazy. I can't even believe it. It's insane, but I'm so excited. I'll probably be May or like the last day of May. Or the last day of April. I don't know, but whatever. It's gonna be May soon. And I can't even, like, I can't believe it. It's so crazy. But I will catch you guys next one. Bye guys. Peace out. Hope you like this video.